Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the blades on your TM31 are making a horrible grinding noise, you're not alone. This issue can arise from wear and tear on the bearings or misalignment of the blades. If left unaddressed, this noise can lead to further damage to your device, ultimately affecting its performance. To carry out this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement blade assembly, a pair of pliers, and some patience. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged and cooled down. Begin by carefully removing the bowl from the base unit. Next, to access the blade assembly, you'll need to unscrew the base. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws on the bottom of the unit, taking care to keep them safe as you'll need them later. Once you've removed the screws, gently lift the lid to expose the inner components. Here, you'll want to locate the blade assembly, which is usually secured by a plastic housing. Take your pliers and gently pull the plastic housing to release the blades. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage surrounding components. Once the blades are free, inspect them for any visible signs of wear or damage. If they are in poor condition, replace them with the new blade assembly you have prepared. To do this, simply align the new blades into the housing and push down firmly until they click into place. Now, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the lid back onto the base, ensuring that all components are aligned correctly. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them just enough to secure the unit without overdoing it. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and perform a quick test run to ensure everything is functioning as it should. Listen carefully for any unusual noises. If you can hear the blades running smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To help prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the blades for any signs of wear and ensure that you're not overloading the device during use. Keeping your Thermomix clean and well-maintained will also go a long way in prolonging its life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.